This is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and I will be glad. And hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel in Pensacola, Florida, at the annual Lock and Lean skill competition at the Pensacola Harley-Davidson, and seeing quite some things. I'm gonna turn my camera around here so that you can see it. Life just gives us uh, pleasant surprises. You know, you heard the old saying, if life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Well, what if life gives you lemonade? That's kind of what happened for me just the other day when I stopped by the Harley-Davidson dealership in Pensacola, Florida. I just stopped in there to get a poker chip to send it to Ohio back roads. Still coming, Ohio. I just stopped by, and I parked on the opposite side of the dealership, so I still didn't even know what was going on the other side of the dealership. And I stopped to talk to a guy to admire his bike, and he asked me had I been to the Tiger Law booth, and I went, "Where's the Tiger Law booth at?" And he said, "Well, it's on the other side where they're having the competition." And I didn't know anything about it, so I drove around and I went to the other side. And that's where I took the footage that you saw, and it just happened. I was just there. I didn't know what was going on. I do follow Pensacola Harley most of the time on Facebook, but I didn't know what was going on, and I just happened to be in the area and stepped in there to see it. Lots been going on in life. I had to put my little woman in the hospital for a couple of days. she was having some chest pains, and so she had every kind of diagnostic thing, heart cath, echocardiogram, CT scans, blood work, x-rays, all those things. She's fine. We don't know why she was having chest pains, but she's fine. And so anyway, a lot going on in life. I hope that you're having a great day. I hope your April has started off with a bang. And I hope that you're living the blessed life. Remember this, Jesus said the thief only comes to steal, to kill, and to destroy. He said, I've come that they might have life. He said, he's come that we might have life. In this Easter season, Sunday will be Easter. We celebrate the risen Savior. We celebrate the fact that we have life. Let's not forget about that. Hey, God bless you. Have a great day.